Hello and welcome to the walk around video here at Your Next Car with myself, James. So as always, we're going to begin and take a walk around the exterior of the car whilst I talk you through some of the major talking points and features. Then of course I'll go around, take a seat inside the vehicle where I can show you some of the interior features and options. So as you can see, what we have here is a 420D M Sport Gran Coupe, and it is presented in the Estoril blue. Alongside that, we've fitted the full Your Next Car Mperformance body styling kit, which is all fitted in-house. We've also added the fantastic 20-inch GTS style alloy wheels, which once again are finished in the gloss black and work very nicely with the YNC Mperformance styling kit. At the front of the vehicle, you'll see it is a 2017-17 plate. You'll also see the AMG light and xenon headlamps. Down the side of the vehicle, we've got the gloss black air breathers on this vehicle, gloss black sidebars, satin side vinyls, and the YNC Mperformance side stickers. The vehicle also has privacy glass, and I'm going to go ahead now take you in for a quick glance at the interior, which for this vehicle is the black Dakota leather, which not only has the electric lumbar option, also comes with front heated seats as well. And there you can see just how nicely presented everything is, all clean and tidy as it should be. And of course onto the rear, where once again we have a very nice Isofix 3-seat rear bench, all finished in the Dakota leather, centre folding armrest, and of course being the M Sport model, the black headlining as well. And again, all presented as it should be, all nice and clean and tidy. No signs of even anybody's even sat in the back in this vehicle. Moving on to the very rear of the car, where we have the high gloss rear boot spoiler and the same for the rear diffuser. I'll open up the automatic opening and closing tailgate, which for the Gran Coupe reveals the exceptionally large boot space, which compared to the other vehicles that are similar in its class definitely has the largest and certainly the deepest capacity. It also can be extended thanks to the split folding seat option, and it also has underfloor storage, and of course there you can see the BMW floor mats that will accompany the vehicle. Whilst that's closing itself down, we'll go round to the other side of the vehicle, where again taking a few seconds to appreciate how well the Estoril blue works with this colour combination of the gloss black. And there you can see once again everything's neat and tidy and how it should be presented. We'll move on now and take a seat inside the vehicle to discuss further the interior features and options of the car. So now we're sat inside the vehicle, straight away you'll be able to notice the professional wide navigation and media screen. At the moment we're currently situated on the DAB screen, however there is a wide array of other multimedia inputs, including music collection, AUX, and of course CD, DVD and USB. The music collection, if you're not aware, is BMW's basically downloadable drive system, so you can download your music to it, store it, and then take that media that you've downloaded it from back out of the car. A very useful feature, and one I do use personally myself very, very often. Onto the other features, you'll see there you've got your map features and sat nav. Again, very simple and very, very user friendly. Bluetooth for telephone and of course audio. Heading back to the main menu, we can see some of the service requirements of the vehicle. We're able to see there that the rear brake pads are coming up in amber, however everything else is in green. But of course we will be carrying out the rear brake pads as they do come under our service parameters, which is everything under 3,000 miles or 3,000 miles and below gets changed here at Your Next Car under our strict servicing regime. Service history wise, there you can see we've got BMW service history right the way up to the most recent, which was at 30,793, which was for a full service including all of the filters, as you can see there. And as I've mentioned, we will be carrying out the brake pads in-house, and there will be a service invoice for that. Dual climate control, heated leather seats as I've mentioned, and that is the switch just there for it. It is the 6-speed manual which accompanies that 2-litre diesel engine up front, producing 190 brake horsepower. Cruise control, speed limiter function, voice and volume controls, all situated on the multi-function M Sport steering wheel. The vehicle itself has covered just over 31,000 miles, and as we've seen, as we've made our way around, the car is exceptionally well presented. As always guys, I do hope you find this walk around video useful. If you do have any questions, please do feel free to get in touch. And also, if you want to check out this vehicle further on our website, you'll find a link for that down below in the description. You'll also be able to check out prices and of course finance options as well. Thanks very much for watching. Do of course take care. Thank you. Goodbye.